How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. For this, open the Snapchat application. Now let's say that you have some snaps on your Snapchat that you want to save to your gallery. You want to tap on this icon right here. Tap on it and here you will be able to see all the snaps that you have clicked on your Snapchat. Now, if this is the photo that you want to save to your gallery, all you have to do is tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Export or Send Snap. Now you want to scroll over here and then you will find a download button. So you want to tap on that button. Once you do that, it's going to export the snap and it is going to be saved in your gallery. So now I'm just going to check if my snap has been saved. Tap on the gallery option and here you can see the snap has been exported to the gallery. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.